Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today I will be sharing with you a brand new recipe based off of something that Trader Joe's recently released. So if you haven't already seen, Trader Joe's recently released Ube spread. Today I will be using this Ube spread to make delicious Danishes filled with cream cheese and ube spread, as well as drizzled in ube spread and pandan icing. I know there's a lot going on in that sentence right there, but trust me, it's delicious. So without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. This recipe is really basic. All you'll need is some puff pastry, cream cheese, a little bit of pandan extract, and the ube spread, and you are set to go. So you'll want to start by making the cream cheese filling, which is super simple. You'll just need some softened cream cheese, 1 egg yolk, a little bit of sugar, and some vanilla extract. You can also toss in some lemon juice if you have that on hand, but I didn't. So you whisk those ingredients together until everything comes together and is really smooth. Once you've got your cream cheese filling prepared, you will then go ahead and prepare your puff pastry dough. So take it out of the fridge. I just bought this at the store, Pepperidge Farms, you know what it is. Go ahead and slice them into squares. Once you've got the squares, you can use a little bit of egg wash on each of the squares. And then from there, you will put on a dollop of that cream cheese filling and then a teaspoon of that ube spread. And then once you've dolloped on your cream cheese as well as your ube jam or ube spread onto each puff pastry, you are ready to bake this off, and it goes into the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. You'll notice that the puff pastry starts to get really poofy and big, and it almost kind of like explodes a little bit. But these are explosions of flavor, okay, so don't worry. And from there, once they're cooling down and out of the oven, I went ahead and put on a little bit more ube spread because I just really wanted to maximize that ube flavoring. So I took some ube spread and I warmed it up in the microwave for about 20 seconds, and then I drizzled it over each pastry. And to top it off, to make it even better, I made a pandan icing. So super simple to make the pandan icing as well. Essentially, it's powdered sugar, a little splash of milk, and a splash of pandan extract, and mix those things together. You'll get a pale green sort of icing. You could add food coloring if you want it to be more green, but I thought it was nice natural. Then I also drizzled that over each of my pastries. And there you have it. That is how you make these delicious ube spread puff pastry Danishes. They are delicious. They are packed with flavor. So many different things going on, from the pandan, the ube, to the cream cheese. I can't recommend them enough, especially if you love Asian pastries. This is the way to go, and I think it's a really creative way to use the ube spread from Trader Joe's. Rather than just putting ube spread on some butter and toast, definitely try this out, elevate it, bring it to the next level, and let me know what you all think. Alright, thanks so much for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if there is a new recipe that you'd like me to try out using a Trader Joe's product, definitely let me know in the comments. Thanks everyone, bye!